Hi, folks. Thank you for checking out our Blink review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so I recommend you seize it today. And I have identified the product in that first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the Blink review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Bonus number 2 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high converting gig as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. Hence, you become the middleman. And bonus number 3 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. It's a straightforward process, and you can easily follow it while spending approximately 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. And bonus number 4 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates and much, much more. And the offer includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn a recurring passive income. And that's the important thing, folks. It's reoccurring passive income. Now, let's get back to the Blink review and find out what it's all about.
Take a look at this. See these dozens of $9.99 payments? We got all of them just today. In total, they add up to a bit over $600. And in the next 45 seconds, I'm going to show you how I did it, how you can replicate it. Sound good? Let's begin. You see, Amazon is the biggest company in the world. Not one of the biggest, no, it is the biggest platform right now and probably will be the biggest for decades to come. It's responsible for $1.6 billion in sales every single day. Can you imagine that? Amazon's average daily sales revenue, $1.6 billion. That accounts for Amazon's new revenue of a whopping $575 billion in 2023, up from $514 million the year prior, June 4th, 2024. Now, imagine if there is a way for you to get a cut of those sales. Imagine if you can get paid every time someone buys from Amazon. I know it sounds like a far-fetched dream, but it's not, because this is exactly what we're doing. We created an AI-powered app that bombards our Amazon affiliate links with thousands upon thousands of clicks every single day, resulting in payments like every day, like clockwork, just in the past couple of hours while I was creating this video for you. I made $139.56 in pure profit, all without paying for ads, doing SEO, writing reviews, creating videos, or none of that BS. What we do is completely different from anything you have ever seen online. But it doesn't just work for us. We created Blink to work for anyone and everyone. Don't believe me? Take a look at this. David M. just posted in our Facebook group, celebrating with our community his first $300+ day with Blink. And you know what's funny? He just started using Blink just 2 days ago. Also, Patricia just posted about her first payment of $1,500 that she made while she was on a trip with her daughter and grandson. All she had to do was just do a simple 2-minute setup with Blink and then go on to enjoy her time with her family. That's it. Every day we see dozens of those posts, and you can be next. Blink allows me to do whatever I want and still make money. It works for anyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service providers, e-com store owners, and more. Hey, my name is Venkata, and on behalf of my team, we are happy to introduce you to Blink. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Blink. All it takes is just 3 steps. Step 1, click on the button below and create your account with Blink. Takes less than 9 seconds. Step 2, paste your Amazon affiliate link in our intuitive dashboard. Step 3, that's it. You've finished your work, and now it's AI's turn to do its magic. Within minutes, we start to receive thousands of targeted clicks to our link and make commissions like this. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this gonna cost me? If we decided to charge you the fair price for Blink, it will be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. Our average users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing, $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who is just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Blink was to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So, with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Blink for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Blink. But you must be quick. There is no point in selling Blink if it doesn't produce the results we promise. In order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is, we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is, we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we are humans too. So, after we hit our limit, we are raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there is no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Blink for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We will refund every penny you paid within 24 hours. Worst case scenario, you get Blink and don't make any money. You get all of your money back, no questions. Click the button below and get instant access to Blink, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $13,345. I'll see you inside.